To send crypto via Cash App, start by opening the application and tapping the banking tab at the bottom left corner of the screen. From here, select the cryptocurrency you want to send, such as Bitcoin. If you do not have any cryptocurrency in your account, you will need to purchase some first. To purchase cryptocurrency, go to the Investing tab and select the type of cryptocurrency you want to buy. Enter the amount you want to spend and confirm the transaction. Once you have cryptocurrency in your account, go back to the Banking tab and select the cryptocurrency you want to send. Enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to send in the recipient's $cashtag or QR code. The $cashtag is a unique identifier that allows users to send and receive money and cryptocurrency. If you do not have the recipient's $cashtag, you can enter their phone number or email address, and they will receive a notification to accept the transfer. Before confirming the transaction, make sure to review the details, including the amount and recipient's information. Also, be aware of the transaction fee, which is a small percentage of the amount being sent. To minimize fees and ensure a smooth transaction, make sure your account is verified and you have sufficient funds. Additionally, be cautious when sending cryptocurrency, as transactions are irreversible. Once you have confirmed the transaction, the recipient will receive the cryptocurrency in their Cash App account. They can then choose to hold the cryptocurrency, sell it, or transfer it to an external wallet. It is essential to note that Cash App only supports a limited number of cryptocurrencies, so make sure to check the app for the most up-to-date list of supported coins. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you can securely and easily send cryptocurrency via Cash App.